In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can buy Robux in Roblox. So this is going to be a very quick and simple tutorial about how to do this. Make sure you pay close attention to ensure you get everything right. And also, before I get into it, I just want to say I was considering doing a Robux giveaway. Now, if that's something you'd like to see, then please comment down below that you'd like to see a Robux giveaway, and I'll do that on the next video. Now, with that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing we actually have to do is we have to go out of Roblox, and we have to actually go onto a browser like Google Chrome, and then we have to go onto the Roblox website, which is roblox.com. Now you can do this on mobile as well if you would like to. So once we're on roblox.com, it's going to look something like this, and we need to go up to the top to this little icon up here, which is the Robux icon. So click on this here, and we go down to buy Robux. So here tells you the different things you can do, so different pricing plans. On the left here you have, basically these are one-off packages, so these will get immediately added to your account. So you get 500, you get 400, 800, 1700, 4500, 10,000, 22, 500. So you can pick that. Now, the next option here is subscribe and get more. So basically you can actually subscribe to Robux every month, and you're going to get a little bit more. So if you basically subscribe to this one, you're going to get 1,000 a month for $9.99 a month, and basically that is going to be your monthly Robux allowance. So you can really pick whichever one you would like to. So let's say you wanted to buy this one here, you click on it, and then there's a lot of options you can do here for payment methods. You can go credit card, debit card, PayPal, redeem Roblox card, Amazon, or other. Now for most people it's going to be this one, credit card or debit card. You may have PayPal, and a redeem a Roblox card is if you got one at like a store like Tesco or something like that and you want to redeem it there. So basically you would use that, and then you would get onto your account. Now you can actually add a star code, and basically a star code is like if you watch a creator like, I don't know, Laserbeam or something like that, someone who plays Roblox, then what you can do is put their code in there, and they are going to earn 5%. They're going to earn 5% of your purchase. Now you get to keep all of your Robux obviously, but they get a little bit of a boost. So it's good if you want to support a creator. It's very helpful to them. So that is basically how you go about doing it. If you actually did enjoy this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if this video helped. Plus, if you do want to see a Robux giveaway, then go ahead and comment that down below. Thank you for watching.